Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Snapchat best friends list. To know how to fix or how to solve Snapchat best friends list not working or not showing, you should just go to settings, then we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that you will enter to this window of Snapchat. When you'll find this list of app info, you will click for stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to this window of storage. Here on this page you will click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.